Hi guys, so it is math time and you have did your before you start this video, you should have done your daily review. You should have done your math star-based assessment. Okay, and so we are going to be talking about division. So we started with multiplication, now we're into division. So what is division? Division is where we divide into equal groups. Okay, so multiplication is where we were combining equal groups. Here we're dividing into equal groups. So when we see a problem that is 15 divided by 3 equals 5. So let's talk about what these numbers are. So this number right here, so the number that we start with is called our dividend. Okay, so this is called our dividend. So everybody say that word with me, dividend. Okay, and usually it's going to be our biggest number out of the three. The second number is called our divisor. So this one is called our divisor. Okay, and then our number that we equal to is called our quotient. So say that with me, quotient. Okay, so we have our dividend divided by our divisor equals our quotient, because we say 15 divided by 5 equals 5. So our dividend divided by our divisor. So our dividend divided by our divisor equals our quotient. So today we're going to be working on equal groups. How do we divide? By showing equal groups. So if I wanted to take 15 divided by 3 equals 5. So that means that I'm going to have 15 of something, and I'm going to want to divide it into 3 groups. So here are my 3 groups. 1, 2, 3. And so I know that I have 15. These are my 3 groups. So divisor is going to be like, is your groups. And this is what goes inside your groups. Okay, so that means, or not what goes inside, this is what I'm dividing into my groups. So how we do this is we're going to put 1 in each group until we get to 15. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So all I did was I started at 1. I put 1 in each group until I got to 15. So when we look at our picture, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 in each group. I have 5 here, 5 here, and 5 here. So if you actually look at this picture, this can be a multiplication, because we could say 3 groups of 5 equal 15. So do you see how this division problem quickly turned into a multiplication problem just by using our pictures? And if you notice, we have the same numbers, they're just in different order. And we'll talk about that later on this week, how a division problem, how a multiplication problem can help us solve our division problem. But right now, a division problem is we divide into equal groups. So my dividend is what I'm dividing. My divisor is the number of groups I have, and my quotient is what is inside each group. All right, so we're going to do some practice. Okay, guys, so now we're going to work on kind of what we did on the board. So I'm going to start with my scenario cards, and we're going to model how we can divide into equal groups. So my first one says, Miss Lopez is making 40 mini cupcakes for her after-school club. She has 8 students in her after-school club. How many mini cupcakes can each student get? So I know that I have 8 students, and I'll have 40 mini cupcakes. So I need to divide the 40 cupcakes into 8 students. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw, remember, my 8 students, this is going to be my groups, and this is going to be the number in the groups. Number in groups. Okay, so that's what I'm dividing into the groups. So let me draw my 8 groups. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so these are 8 students. Okay. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to divide 40 into 8 students. So I'm just going to give each student a cupcake until I run out. So I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Okay, so if you noticed, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in each group. So I had my dividend is 40. That is the number I'm dividing. So this is my total cupcakes. Okay. And I'm going to take 40 and I divided it into how many? 8. And that is the number of students. Okay. And then we said that each student is going to get 5 cupcakes. So 5 cupcakes per student. Okay, so 40 was our dividend because that's the total number. So if they give you the total, that's our dividend. 8 is our divisor because it's telling us how many students she's going to divide it into. And then our quotient is our answer. 5 students got each student got 5 cupcakes. So how many cupcakes will each student get? 5 cupcakes. And I'm labeling what they're getting. They're getting cupcakes. Okay, so let's try another one. Cadence has 24 hair bows. The colors that she has are purple, pink, yellow, green, orange, and black. If she has an equal number of each color, how many hair bows of each color does she have? Okay, so she has 24 hair bows, and she has purple, pink, yellow, green, orange, and black. So she has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different colors. So I'm going to make our colors or our group. So I have purple, I have pink, I have yellow, I have green, I have orange, and I have black. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 colors. And I'm going to take 24 bows and divide it into each color. So I'm going to put 1 bow in each group until I get to 24. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay, so that means that my dividend was what was the total number. So I had 24 total bows. So that was the total bows. I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My divisor was 6 because I'm dividing the bows into 6 colors. So that was the number of colors. And my quotient was 4 because there's 4 in each group. And that was bows in each color. So how many bows does she have in each color? She has 4 bows. Okay. Let's do one more. So turn it, remember at any time you can pause the video. Let's turn it over. Okay. Let's look at this one. It says George is cleaning his room. He has to gather all 36 of his cars. He has 9 plastic bins into which he can put the cars. How many cars can each bin hold if they all hold the same amount? So he has 36 cars all together, and he has 9 plastic bins he needs to put them in. Okay, so we're going to draw our plastic bins, and I know I have 9 of them. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and I need to put all of the 36 cars away, and so each bin is going to get a car until I get to 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hold on. I thought I had to sneeze and get some water. So we have 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. And we stop at 36 because that's all the cars he has. Okay. So guys, when we think of the dividend, I want you to think of the dividend as our total. It's our biggest number in our problem. So 36. And that is the total cars that we have. Okay. The divider or divisor is 9. That's what we're dividing into. That's the number of groups we need. And that's our number of bins. And then our quotient is what was inside, what did we put in each bin? So we put 4 in each bin. Okay, and that was 4 cars in each bin. So how many cars? 4 cars. And so, hold on. So guys, you can quickly see how this can become a multiplication problem. Because remember, a multiplication problem is blank groups of blank. So we have 9 groups of 4. So 9 times 4 equals 36. Okay. So this 36 divided by 9 equals 4. So do you see how you see how they're similar? They're related. This multiplication problem is related to this division problem. And we're going to talk about that later this week.